Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the men's Gucci vintage logo oversized bum bag. And that's kind of a vague name. I've seen it called a few things on different websites, but you know what I'm talking about. We're going to be getting into why I love this bum bag, how I wear it, why I bought it, and what fits in it. So if you are interested in any of that information, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, I got mine in the 90 size. They are different sizes of belt for this bag, and this is obviously meant to go around a man's waist, but since I planned on wearing it across my body, I wanted to make sure that there was some wiggle room to tighten and loosen the bag, so I went with the biggest strap size possible. I also went with the white because I'm trying to transition into lighter color bags because all the handbags that I have in my collection currently are all black, so I wanted to get some neutrals in there as well. And I just love the vibe that this bag gives, especially with the navy and red strap. So if you are currently on the hunt for this bag, you will find that it is sold out across the US, and pretty much anywhere else that you try to look for it, it is sold out everywhere. I know that there are still some in the black color available, but this shade is just not very easy to find at the moment. I managed to grab one of the last inventory in stock from Luisa via Roma, which shipped to me from the UK, I believe, and customs and everything was included, which was great. So if it's somehow back in stock somewhere, I'll link everything down below, so it might be easier for you guys to get your hands on it. But I am so happy that I was able to find it, because once I had my eye on this, I didn't stop searching until it was mine. So the reason I wanted a bum bag was, right now, especially in the summer, honestly, I just like to be completely hands-free, because a lot of the time I'll have a water bottle in hand, and now we have the whole mask situation. So I just wanted something where I didn't have to take my bag on and off when I get into the car, out of the car, when I get whatever. I just wanted something that could sit on me always, and I didn't have to worry about putting it down or it touching any surfaces, and that is why I grabbed this. And I did want to make sure that it was a nice oversized size so that I could fit all my essentials, everything that I need into it, and not have to worry about, again, having anything in my hands. So I mainly wear this bag crossbody right here, and I'd like for it to sit kind of underneath my armpit, or I'll have it right here across my body as well. And then if I want the weight away from me, then I will just simply flip it around and wear it on my back for a moment, and it's just the best and easiest situation ever. And I like the safety of it, you know, everything's kind of right in front of me, so nothing's going anywhere, which is great. And this strap is nice and thick, so it sits very comfortably on my shoulder. It's not the easiest to adjust, but once you get it to that nice sweet spot that fits you and your body, then you won't really need to adjust it too often, so that doesn't bother me. This bag currently retails for $12.90, and it came to $14.12 with tax. So not the cheapest, not the worst, but it's a very good quality leather, and you can tell that everything is very well made. Like, the strap is just done very well. You know, Gucci does very good belts, and this is essentially a belt and handbag mix, so they've done a really good job here, and I'm really pleased with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what fits inside. The one thing that I do feel like is missing from this bag is just a zipper in the back where you can just slip a cell phone easily in and out of it, so you don't have to go into the bulk of the bag every time you want to put your phone away. But, you know, I can live without it. It's not the biggest deal ever. So you open the inside of the bag, and you just have one large compartment inside. And again, very minimalist. There's not even one pocket or pouch anywhere in here to separate any of your belongings. And a lot of the time you can actually find felt inserts that are organized the inside of your bags, but for some reason I can't find one for this bum bag, but whatever, it doesn't really matter too much. So this bag fits plenty. So the first thing that I have in here is my wallet, and this is the Louis Vuitton, I don't even remember what it's called anymore, but this wallet is slightly more oversized, and it fits in here great with plenty of room still above and below. Then I have my sunglasses case in here with my sunglasses. I have my AirPods. I have a hand sanitizer. This one's from Herbivore. It's such a good one, by the way. And then I have this Hurrah unscented lip balm. I have my face mask. This is from Strut This because I know I'm going to get questions. And then I have my small little card wallet with my go-to cards that I need. And this is my little Saint Laurent card wallet. I love this card wallet. It's the best. And then I can, of course, also fit my phone in here, but it's not currently in here. And you have this huge open space with a little canvas lining inside, so it's very easy to wipe down clean. And the bag itself is super light, so once you add things in here, it's not going to sit super heavy on you. And I like that it's not a bum bag that's going to jut out really far. Like when I was debating which bum bag to go with, I was also looking at the one from Louis Vuitton, and that one just sticks out way too far, and it just didn't look like it was going to be comfortable, especially if you're going to be wearing it crossbody. So this one ended up being a great purchase. I love it a lot. So flexible, so roomy, so easy to slip on and off, elevates every outfit. It's so cute, so easy to wear. I've been throwing this on over so many outfits. It just goes with absolutely everything and just elevates my outfits in a second. I can literally put this on over pajamas and it'll look cute. It's just such a great purchase. So if I can find it anywhere online, I definitely will. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys found it helpful. If you have any other questions that maybe I didn't answer, go ahead and ask them in the comment section below and I will definitely get back to you. And that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more videos. It really helps my channel out a lot when you guys are interactive with my content. And I will hopefully see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.